Well, a few days ago I had a Christmas train show. Thought I'd take you on a quick walkthrough of what it consisted of. We'll start out here with my Christmas caboose. If you've seen any of my other videos, you've probably seen this before. Take a quick look outside here and then we'll go inside. Outside here we just have a little G-scale western town. Nothing much, just a little, just a battery operated train going around a little western town. Now let's go inside the caboose. So as we walk into the caboose, we're up to the doors here where the freight station doors are open. Have a lot of things happening. Have a little fence here where the kids have their little interactive things here. They can control the trolley car over here. And this little Christmas layout. A lot of fun for the kids. Right here in the middle we have a little telegraph key. Up over here it sends a message over there to Santa Claus. And over here we have a little button for train sounds. And over here we have a little Thomas tank engine train running around. There he comes right there. It goes pretty slow. And up here we have what I call my Christmas tree of trains. Just a couple little battery operated trains up there running around. There's Thomas over there with Santa Claus. Down here we have another little Christmas layout. It's all lighted. Got a nice little small Christmas display. So now I'll come inside, take a closer look. There's another little Christmas layout. Have a neat little Christmas scene there, village, lighted houses. There's the other one down below here. We'll get a better look at that one. And down here on the floor I have just, that's a Lionel, it's not a Lionel train, it's a battery operated train on Lionel track. This little toy train with O-gauge. It's running around on the floor. So there's a lot of stuff happening in here. Kids just really love it. And memorabilia on the wall. Lanterns. And there's some memorabilia from the 1950s and the famous passenger trains. So now I'll walk into the garage in here and take a look at my Lionel layout, 027. This is also a Christmas layout, as you can pretty much see. Got two trains running on there. On this side is a little village out in the country. Little ice skating or pond, the river, stream back there. And you cross through the other side of the mountains. And you have a little town here. We have a few little buttons that kids can push. A crossing gate. And a whistle. And got another little crossing signal over here. Wigwag. It's a lot of fun. There's some Disney characters, The old California raisins on that car. Well, then we come around here in the other part of the garage. Let's look at one of my little N-gauge layouts here. The Lionel layout you just saw was a 4x8 foot. Just a standard sheet of plywood. This little N-gauge is about 3 feet by 5 feet. Just a couple inches under a little bit. Not quite 3 feet by 5 feet. I was able to get quite a bit of track in there. Back in this corner here I want to put a mountain. And we have a tunnel in that corner. Add a little bit more to the scenery. And Empire Builder going around there on the outside loop. And I'll move over to the next one. This is my other N-gauge layout. About 30 inches in the widest spot by 6 feet long in 2 sections in the part. Someday I want to build a 3rd section on the left end here. Kind of a mirror image of the right end. And at the Northern Pacific, North Coast Limited. A nice pretty green train on against the white snow. It looks pretty nice. This little freight train going around the town. It was really a lot of fun to build. I really like this little one. That switches on it, so I can just, if I want to run just one train, you take this freight train off, and then you can run one train on a lot longer main line there. It circles around the town and comes back out to the outside track. Alright, now we'll look at some of my logging railroad. This is one of the sections of my logging railroad. I have 3 sections. The other 2 are in the house. I'll show you in a minute. They're not connected yet. Don't really have the room right now to connect all 3 of them. If you watch some of my other videos, I have a video on just all 3 sections of the logging railroad. I kind of do a little more in-depth talk about them. I really like this one. It's a lot of fun. Grades are kind of steep. I like running the geared locomotives up that steep grade. I have a Shea, a Heisler, and a Climax, and they all run pretty good up there. I have one more thing here in the garage I'll show you, then we'll go inside the house. There's a fun little layout I built about 20 years ago for the kids. All these little characters are there's Teddy Ruxpin, Bambi, Disney characters. Most of these were all got at fast food restaurants and Happy Meals. Wendy's, McDonald's, Bernstein Bears, Kermit the Frog. This little train there, it's a Winnie the Pooh train. Don't think there's too many of those around anymore. And there's just a Santa Claus train. Of course, these are battery operated. They don't run too reliably. Well, I'm almost at 10 minutes, so I'm going to have to put this on another video. So check out Christmas Crane Show Part 2 for the rest of the show.